Around 9 o'clock this morning, homeowner Frank Freeman says him and his wife Sue Freeman was home alone watching television when they began to hear something that they haven't heard for a very long time. Freeman says he then got up to see what the problem was.
My wife says, I hear a roaring sound. I said, oh, it's just the wind. She said, okay. So I said, well, I'll go look. And I walked to the front door and looked out the front door and I saw this mess and I said, you better come look at this.
Both homeowners found their entire mobile home, which was vacant, lifted off the foundation because of a tornado. But even after their mobile home was destroyed by a tornado, Freeman says that's not their biggest problem. Both homeowners say after losing their mobile home to a tornado this morning, there are still more items to find, like this antique desk. Freeman says luckily it missed his home, but still that didn't stop it from destroying a vacant mobile home both him and his wife owned for years.
But somehow it came right between my house and the other house, right through here. All it got was just this, little minor things in a couple other places, but it tore this up pretty bad.
But Freeman says he's got just a solution for the cleanup process. He says he plans to make a big bonfire. Reporting in Twiggs County, Carlos Stevens, WGXA.